Now we are discussing Reynolds number. So here we learned about the laminar flow, turbulent flow and steady flow. So unsteady flow like that. So a fluid is moves in a pipe or certain streamlined flow, and different points is consist different velocities, but it is parallel to each other. The layers is parallel to each other is called the laminar flow. So when it is consists different magnitudes at different points of velocity and it is not parallel to each other, the layers are non-parallel to each other, it's called the turbulent flow. In turbulent flow it is circular or it is like, so it is moves very velocity is very more, so it is moves turbulent flow. And it is unsteady. At a point the velocity is changed. At any point the velocity is different for the fluid is called the unsteady flow. So here the Reynolds number, so Osborn Reynolds is explained a dimensionless a constant, that is Reynolds number, that Re equals to rho v d by neta. Okay, rho v d by eta. So this is expression for the Reynolds number. Okay, here rho is the density of the fluid, density of fluid flowing, and v is velocity of fluid, and d is dimension of a pipe, dimension of a pipe or a tube. Dimension is nothing but it is radius, diameter or length, so like that. Eta is viscous force or viscosity, coefficient of viscosity or viscosity. So Re is a constant of a fluid, so it is depend upon the density of the fluid and velocity of the fluid and dimension of the pipe and viscosity of the fluid. So that is coefficient of viscosity of the fluid. A fluid is moves. So for example, so this is a streamline, so it is moves like streamlines, it is parallel to each other. So then the Reynolds number, it is a laminar, it is laminar flow. Okay, laminar flow is nothing but it is parallel to each other. Streamlines is parallel to each other. And so we can consider turbulent flow. So in turbulent flow, turbulence, so it is like the streamlines are not parallel to each other, and velocity of different places is consist different magnitudes and it not parallel, so it is turbulent flow. So Reynolds number is, we have taken the Reynolds number is less than 1000. The Reynolds number is a dimensionless, a constant. Reynolds number is less than 1000, so it is laminar flow. The fluid is laminar flow. So Reynolds number is greater than 2000. Okay, it is greater than 2000. It is turbulent flow. So here the Reynolds number in between 2000 and 1000, okay, less than 1000 and greater than 2000, so that flow is called the unsteady flow. That flow is called the unsteady flow. So the Reynolds number is characterize the fluid, the flow of fluid. So when it is less than 1000, it is laminar flow. When it is greater than 2000, it is turbulent flow. So in between 2000 and 1000, it is unsteady flow. So this Reynolds number is explain about the critical velocity also. So from this equation, the velocity V equals to, okay, Re eta to rho d. Okay, so this particular velocity is called the maximum velocity. Okay, it is the maximum velocity. We have taken the maximum velocity of a fluid in the tube for which the flow remains streamlined is called the critical velocity. The critical velocity Vc equals to Re eta by rho into d. Okay, so the definition is the maximum velocity of a fluid, in a tube for which the flow remains streamlined is called as critical velocity. Okay, critical velocity. So the critical velocity is denoted as Vc. Vc equals to Re eta by rho d. Okay, now we will discuss example number 11.9. A metal block of area 0.10 meter square is connected to a 0.01 kilogram mass by a string that passes over a idle pulley. So we consider, so for example, this is a table. Okay, so it is consist a pulley, so a metal block. So this is the metal block. Okay, this metal block is connected. So this is a thin film. Okay, it is connected through the pulley. So a mass m equals to 0.01 kilogram. Okay, and the area of the black is area A equals to 0.1 meter square and the mass is connected 0.01 kilogram and passes through ideal pulley. A liquid with a film thickness of 0.30 millimeter. So film thickness is nothing but, so it is taken L 0.3 millimeters. It is converted to centimeter. 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus, it converted to meter, minus 3 meter is placed between the black and the table. So it is placed between the black and the table. When released, the black moves to the right with a constant speed. The velocity at speed of the black is 0.085 meter per second. Okay, find the coefficient of viscosity of the fluid. So find the coefficient of viscosity. Okay, now, so what is coefficient of viscosity? Eta equals to FL by AV. Okay, that equals, we can substitute, F is nothing but mgl divided by AV. That equals to, what is acceleration due to gravity? So it is 9.8 meter per second square. So m is 0.01, is nothing but 10 power minus 2 into 9.8 into L equals to 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by area. Area is 0.1 into, so velocity or speed 0.085. So we can calculate with using of calculator. This value eta equals to coefficient of viscosity, eta equals to 3.45 into 10 power minus 3. So what is the units? That is Pascal second. So this is the coefficient of viscosity. Okay, example number 11.10. The terminal velocity of a copper ball of radius 2.0 millimeter falling through a tank of oil at 20 degrees Celsius is 6.5 centimeter per second. So here the radius is given. The radius is 2.0 millimeter. So it is converted to meters. 2 into 10 power minus 3 meters. So here the terminal velocity V of t equals to, terminal velocity is 6.5 centimeter per second. So it is converted to meter per second. 6.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. Compute the viscosity of oil at 20 degrees Celsius. So what is eta value? So density is given, density of oil. So here density of oil is sigma equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power of 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, density of copper is rho equals to 8.9 into 10 to the power of 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so now here the acceleration due to gravity, we can take 9.8 meter per second square. So what is the formula for terminal velocity? Vt equals to 2a square g into rho minus sigma divided by 9 eta. Okay, so we can find out, so what is eta equals to 2a square g rho minus sigma divided by 9 v of t. Substitute the values, so eta equals to 2 into a equals to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square, that is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6, and g equals to 9.8. okay, here 10 power 3 common, 9 point rho equals to 8.9 minus 1.5 into 10 to the power of 3, okay, divided by 9 into velocity, okay, terminal velocity is 6.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. So we can calculate this value with using of calculator. So this is 9.9 into 10 to the power of minus 1, so kilogram per meter per second or Pascal second. So this is the coefficient of viscosity of oil. Now example number 11.11. So it is the flow rate of water from a tap of diameter is 1.25 centimeters. So here the rate of the flow rate of water. So flow rate of water, so it is given. So flow rate of water Q equals to, it is denoted Q. So it is A into velocity, area into velocity. Okay, so here, so this is equation number 1. So here the diameter is given, diameter D equals to, so 1.25 centimeter, it is converted to meter, 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, and here Q equals to 0.48 liter per minute. So we can take, after the coefficient of viscosity of water is 10 power minus 3, so coefficient of viscosity eta equals to 10 power minus 3 Pascal second, and the density of water rho equals to 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. So we know that the 1000 or 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube, and so here we can find out, first of all, so we can find out Re value. Okay, so here, so first of all Q equals to area into velocity. So from this equation Q equals to area into velocity. So what is the area? Area of the pipe is, when it is given diameter, so pi d square by 4 into v. So from velocity v equals to 4q by pi d square. Okay, so this is equation number 2. So we know that the Re equals to Reynolds number, Re equals to rho v d by eta. Okay, can substitute v value, equation number 2, in this equation. Rho into v equals to 4q by pi d square into eta, okay, into d. Okay, here d and 1d cancel, so the value is Re equals to, okay, 4 rho q divided by pi d neta. Substitute rho value. So what is 4 into rho equals to 10 power plus 3 q divided by 3.14 into d equals to 1.25 into 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into eta equals to 10 power minus 3. Okay, so here R equals to, so this value is 1.019 into 10 power 8. Okay, it is 10 power 8 cube meter cube second. So this is Re value. So then Req is remaining. So first A. So what is the after, so the flow rate of water is 0.48 L by minutes. Okay, so here Q is given, Q equals to 0.48 liter per minute. So it is converted to the meter cube per second. So Q equals to 0.48. Okay, 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1000, 1 centimeter equals to 10 power minus 2 whole cube. Okay, it is meter cube by 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So by second. So Q equals to 0, 0 cancel, and here 48 by 6 equals to 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube per second. Okay, we can calculate Re equals to, so 1.019 into 10 power 8 into 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 power 8, 10 power minus 6, 10 power 2, 10 power 2 into 1.019. So it is Re equals to 101.9 into 8. So equals to 815. The Reynolds number is 815. So 815 is less than 1000. So when Re is less than 1000, so that is the fluid flow is laminar. Okay, next you can find out B. So what is B? So it is increased, the flow rate is increased after some time. So flow rate Q equals to 3 liter per minute. Okay, that equals to 3 into 1000 into 10 power minus 6 divided by, so it is 60. Okay, so it is meter cube per second. So Q equals to 0, 0 cancel, 300, 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is 50. So 50 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube per second. So then RE equals to 1.019 into 10 power 8 into 50 into 10 power minus 6. So RE equals to 5095. So 5095 is above 2000. So it is above 2000. So above 2000. So then the fluid flow is turbulent. It is turbulent flow.